Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. Obviously you've read the title, you know what this is about. For a long time there's been a slam dunk mod on PC, but not on Xbox and PlayStation, so I took liberty into my own hands and decided to make one. You might have seen it on the last NBA, I did make one on 2K24, but I've also made one here now. And it's got 30 different teams from Slam Dunk, Kuroko no Basket, and Ahiru no Sora, and some other extra ones. So in the video today, I'll be showing you just a quick run through of all the teams. I put it in power rankings on my NBA save, so you can kind of see what teams are the best and how they stack up against each other. This is a rough idea. Obviously, it's the sim. They're all somewhat same levels, but it's got a lot of different teams that you can use. So every time you set up the save and you have a playthrough, the teams that actually come out top may be different each time because they're all still quite similar in level, but obviously there are some better teams than others. Additionally, I'll be showing you how to use the roster and download it for yourself, obviously, also to change it up. And as I mentioned before, on 2K24, I did make this roster but with slight adjustments this year to try and enhance it. So if you really want to use it on the last 2K, if you don't quite have 2K25 yet, you probably still can play a similar sort of thing. So just stick around for that. As mentioned before, there's lots of different teams here from 3 different shows and from other real world elements. So if you have any recommendations or things that you prefer me to change for following updates, as I'm constantly working on this, constantly trying to improve it, please drop a comment down below and let me know what you want to see. Also bear in mind that there's lots of free agents in this draft class. If you want to change up your game at all and you want to add additional players, there's some there dotted in, and obviously there's blank players if you really wanted to import a different player and really wanted to have them play in this universe that I've made. Also, this doesn't just end with the 1 year if you download my scenario, as I have a draft class that I've made, so you can extend it for an additional year and draft some players to try and make your team better. But after that, I'll leave you with a quick run through of all the teams, and I won't keep interrupting. If you want to scroll back through and check what teams are and the ratings, and you disagree with them, please let me know and I'll change them as best as I can. So that was all 30 of the teams there that I've made for the roster. And now I'm going to show you how you can download it for yourself and different ways in case you wanted to change it at all and make it tailored to your preference. First, click on create a roster, and then obviously you can go to user rosters here. And if you press Y, well, I don't know what would be on PlayStation, you can search with the gamer tag, and my gamer tag is Tobias R4. So if you just copy it like I do in the screen, make sure you put a space in there. My roster will be here and you can download it for yourself. Obviously, this is in the creator roster section, so you can change it. Now, if you want to download the pre-set up scenario that I've made with all the teams, you can do that pretty simply by going to My NBA Eras. And if you scroll quickly down to the bottom, you can go to set up scenarios and it will bring you to a similar screen, but instead you can create a slot with someone else's shared scenario. There's all sorts of these with different people's that they made, like Euroleagues and stuff like that. But if you once again search my gamer tag on here, you'll be able to find the scenario I made, which has the draft class included and all the teams with their outfits pre-assigned. Obviously, I have made all the teams themselves with their uniforms, so if you really wanted to make your own league, you could download them all. If you have any confusion, please let me know. I'll try and help you assign the right where you need them. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. Drop a comment down below if you've got any recommendations for things I should change, like I said. Other than that, if you have any problems, let me know and enjoy.